Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah. In a pond where the lilies sway and dance lived a flock of ducks with dreams of romance. They quacked of adventures beyond the blue skies, but little they knew what awaited their eyes. One day as the sun draped gold on the waves, a whispering breeze spoke of mysterious caves. With hearts full of wonder, they took to the dive and plunged into depths where enchantment survived. Through corals that shimmered like jewels in the night, they glided through currents with pure sheer delight. And neon lanes waved as if welcoming guests. The ocean was teeming with wonders and quests, but lurking behind in shadows so deep, a shadowy figure began to creep. It was Finnegan Fish with scales dark and sly. He swirled round them swiftly, a flash 'neath the sky. Why wander so far from your quaint little pond? There's peril below, it's a world you abscond. Yet courage ignited within every heart. Our joy is our armor, we'll never depart. They played with the dolphins who danced in delight and raced through school shimmering silver so bright. Together they spun through whirlpools of cheer, for laughter echoed where once lived their fear. Then as twilight beckoned from shades above ground, the sea whispered secrets no longer unfound. With memories woven like threads made of gold, their stories would linger in hearts brave and bold. So back to their pond under stars' gentle light, with tales of adventure that shimmered so bright. For life holds its magic beneath every wave. In friendship and courage lies all that we crave.
And the jellyfish dance. In a pond where the lilies sway, 5 ducks quacked in gleeful play. With feathers bright as the morning sun, they splashed in joy, their hearts had won. But beneath the ripple soft and clear, a jellyfish glided without a fear. His tendrils twinkled like stars at night, a creature of grace in shimmering light. Oh look, cried one with a joyful quack, a friend from the deep, let's call it back. The jelly danced close with a curious sway, as 5 little ducks wove games to play. They circled around with delight untold, each duckling bold and adventurous soul. Yet in that moment of laughter and cheer, a whisper of caution began to appear. For jelly's embrace is meant for fun, it wraps too tightly, it's not just a run. Yet still they frolicked on that warm shore's edge, a dance of innocence on nature's ledge. Come join us, they quacked with voices so sweet, while currents played gently round their web-webbed feet. But the jelly swayed slowly, a warning sign. Be careful now, friends, don't tread on my line. Don't tread on my line. Yet undeterred by its spectral grace, the ducks dipped closer in this strange space. With each gentle splash came an echoing thrill, their laughter rang out over water so still. And though shadows loomed from horizons afar, in friendship they found their own guiding star. 5 ducks and a jellyfish united they pressed, in that fleeting moment where magic in
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.